Rotaract to Dinesh, and I'm going to explain rotate array in LeetCode. So this problem is about reordering a certain array. So they have given this array, and we have to give output like this. Like they have given k is equal to 3, which means from 0 to position 3, what all the elements are there in the array, they should go back to the array, which means back of the array. So like this. So to achieve this, first I need to get the size of the array, which I'm storing in the n variable. So n is equal to plus nums thing. Nums is the name of the array here. Nums dot size. Okay. Now we got the size of the array. So first we need to check whether this k is, sorry, already declared it. Whether this k is less than n or not. So for that we are dividing k with n. Okay. Next we need to reverse this whole array. So first we need to reverse, and then after reversing, this is the concept. Okay. First we need to reverse the entire array, and after reversing, we are going to move numbers from the back to front, like 5, 6, 7 to the front. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 will remain at the back only. That's the concept here. So for that, reverse, we can so reverse stc function, which is used to reverse the array. Start and okay, then I am going to reverse that particular element, kth element. So like reverse, reverse top. Hmm, shit. Plus, yeah, okay. So what I did is, so num begin will start from the starting of the array. Okay. So plus k, here k value is 3. Then so the array will be in a reverse order only. So if k is 3 means the position change from beginning to k. Okay. From 0 to k. Then from k only the loop ends. So that means one element like this, the array becomes. Okay. One element will come in front of the array. Then I'm going to reverse the array so that we'll get our desired output. Yes. Okay. Let's get. Okay. Now I'm starting from the k position itself, which is 3, I think so. From the k position itself, from the reversed array. Okay, from the reversed array, that means we get this output. Okay, this output. So let me just run it. This run button is not here. V plus k. Okay, we got an output. The test cases all are passed successfully. Let me just submit. Let's see which. Yeah, it is 100% completed. So we have successfully completed this rotate array problem. Thank you, everyone.